Hi, my name's Jonathan. I've been playing with Archicad lately, and I've been playing with these guidelines. When I drag the guideline across to an object that's rotated, the guideline will rotate for me, which I think is really cool. So let's put another one there, because I've got this building site and I want to get this house a specific distance from the edge of the boundary. The other thing I've discovered is if I start dragging this and I hit the Option key on a Macintosh or the Control key on a Windows machine, I can type in the distance and it makes a copy. So I've got the two guidelines now. So let's try that again. So I drag it, hit the Option or the Control key, type in the distance, enter, and it puts those there for me. So that's really cool. Now the next thing I wanted to show you is that I use the drag a lot with Control D or Command D. So I can put that there and then I can rotate that house to my guideline, and now my house is exactly located where I want it on the site and it's at the right orientation. I'm just having trouble deleting my guideline because this orange dot is right on top of my polygon, but I managed to get it this time. I'm going to remove all guidelines. Now if that's a problem, just move your cursor away from that polygon, then do the right click on the orange dot and it'll be in the right place. Hey, thanks for watching.